Right guys, so what we're gonna do now, just got ourselves a sander, an electric one. We're going to use it, but always make sure you're gonna either use a mask or some sort of a cloth, so it's gonna protect you against the dust, because as you can see here, it's so dusty. Now, we have this machine, it's a Bosch, 55 pounds, we paid for it, amazing stuff, and also we got some, well, standard, pretty much like staining paper. Just put it in here, yeah. Let's see if we can find the right position. Something like this. Yeah, we paid for a 10 of this for 10 sets. Yeah, it's a set of 10. We paid 12 pounds. It's 120. Yeah, it's 120. The machine itself is 55, so I would say it's quite cheap. And this is what it does. Just look here, guys. It's amazing, honestly. Just turn it out on here. Now let's start with. Let's do something harder. Let's go with this one. Yeah. See this piece? It's a big piece of junk in it. So easy peasy. You don't have to do anything. Just hold it. Very important. Don't push on it. Yeah. Don't put pressure on it. Just let it do its own thing. Now, this is so smooth. Now, I can tell you for a fact, if you want to use a normal sanding tool, which is this one, it will take ages. Now with this one, it's a lot faster. The only thing is that you need to make sure you're not going to overdo it, yeah? If you're going to put too much pressure, or if you're going to hold it too much, it's not going to feel smooth when you touch it, and you're going to see it's going to be like this, the wall. So that's not something you want. You want to make sure that the wall is going to be all nice and smooth and even.